that's open here, load CSV, MarketView, SQL Server, Oracle, Salesforce there. So if I click on this local CSV and click on this continue, then you can see load data from CSV file to Salesforce and export data from market to CSV. So this all you can get there. And let's go back here. This is for SQL Server. Let's click on this continue and load data from CSV. This you can get here. Okay, and let's go back. So let's uncheck this all. This tools. Thereafter, let's click on Oracle, and this tool you can see create Oracle autonomous database connection, and this is here get started there, and you can see this all that's come there. If I go back, and here you can see find out more about the available connection. Click there, then you can get the all connection. If I scroll down here, you can see this all. Okay, let's close that. And after that, this I don't it right now. So for this, I'm going to click on this don't. So this message, and if I click there, then you can see this the new page that's open there. And here you can see, use the data integration administrator, monitor, and operational insight. So the next thing is if I go this administrator. So here administrator page that's opening, and you can get this all those things. Okay, so next video I will discuss about how to create secure and